In this lesson, we are going to build the application for Android to be released on the Google's Play Store. We'll start by using the Ionic CLI to build the application for release, and then once the final build is created, we'll verify that the APK file that we'll upload to the Google Play Store has been created successfully. So here we are back inside Visual Studio Code, and we'll use the Ionic CLI to build this application in release configuration for Android. By default, when you build your Android application using the Ionic CLI, the application is built using debug configuration, which means that any user can use the debugging tools and understand what is going on inside the application. All the console logs and debug information is available to the user if the application is built in debug mode. So we need to make sure that we build the application in release configuration. And to do that, all we have to do is execute a simple command, and the command is Ionic Cordova build followed by the name of the platform, which is Android, and then we have to pass in the flag --release. This command is enough to build an Android package file that the Google Play Store requires, and the Android package file will be created in the release configuration. Furthermore, you can also specify a flag called --prod, which stands for production, and this flag only ensures that the APK file that is generated is optimized. So the size of the APK file will be slightly less than the file that you will otherwise generate. So let's go ahead and execute this command, Ionic Cordova build Android --release --prod to create the final build of our application for Android. Keep in mind that only the release flag here is required, while the production flag is not required at all. It is up to you if you want to pass the prod flag or not. If you face any problems during the execution of this command, make sure that the path variables Android Home and Java Home are set. If they are not set, you are likely to get some errors. And there you can see that the build is successful, and it took a total of 33 seconds for me. Along with that, we also get a path where the actual APK file, which is the release APK, located. So if you go to File Explorer or Finder on Mac, go inside the project folder, go to the platforms folder, the Android folder. Here you need to go inside the app folder, then the build folder, and here you have a folder called outputs. Inside the outputs folder, you have a folder called APK, where you will have a folder called release. In here, we have the file app-release-unsigned.apk. The unsigned word in the name means that this APK, however, is the release APK, but it is unsigned as of now. So we need to sign this APK to ensure its integrity when we submit this APK to the Google Play Store. Without signing the APK file, the Google Play Store will not accept it. So in the next lesson, we'll learn how we can sign the APK to make it publish ready for the Google Play Store.